In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your NinjaTrader account to TradingView. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, seamlessly connecting these two platforms can significantly enhance your trading experience by giving you access to more robust charts and analytical tools. So without further delay, let's dive into the process. First, what you need to do is to head over to TradingView's website. TradingView is a powerful tool that provides dynamic charts, social networking for traders, and various analytical capabilities. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to navigate to the Supercharts section. This area is designed for enhanced charting options and is the starting point for integrating your NinjaTrader account. From the Supercharts page, you will see several options. What you want to do next is locate and click on Trading Panel, which, typically, you can find at the bottom of your screen. This panel contains various tools, including the brokers list, making it a critical step in linking your accounts. Once you're in the trading panel, there's an option labeled Show All Brokers. Click on this as it will expand the list, allowing us to find NinjaTrader among a variety of other broker options. This step ensures that you have the complete selection visible and ready for the connection. Now, search for NinjaTrader using the search bar provided in the brokers list. This tool makes it easy to find NinjaTrader without having to scroll through numerous listings manually. Enter the name into the search bar and you should see NinjaTrader appear in the results. Once you've found NinjaTrader in the list, the final step is to click on it and then click Connect. This action prompts you to enter your NinjaTrader login credentials. Ensure you have these details handy and enter them as required. After connecting, you'll be able to interact with NinjaTrader's functionalities directly from TradingView, integrating their powerful market data and trading capabilities with TradingView's extensive charting tools. And there you have it. You are now ready to enjoy the combined power and convenience of NinjaTrader and TradingView. Remember, this integration allows for a seamless flow of information and data, making your trading decisions more informed and timely. Thank you for following along and happy trading. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe and check out our other tutorials for more tips and guides.